Understanding lambda. The ideal air-fuel mixture is referred to by the Greek letter represented by lambda. Lambda relates to the actual mixture of air and fuel that enters the combustion chamber. On an engine at normal operating temperature, it is important to maintain one. This allows for optimal catalytic converter operation, although, in actual practice, lambda factors between 0.9 and 1.1 provide the best overall engine operation for all operating conditions. Reading of 1. The mixture is optimum in the range of 0.980 to 1.020, stoichiometric. Less than 1. The mixture is rich, lacking air, typically in the range equals 0.85 to 0.95. Reading more than 1. The mixture has an excess of air. A lean mixture typically in the range of 1.05 to 1.30. So in summary, lambda reading of 1.05 to 1.30 indicates a lean air-fuel mixture and the catalytic converter will be less efficient to reduce NOx. A lambda reading of 0.85 to 0.95 indicates a rich air-fuel mixture. The lambda calculator is used to check the air-fuel mixture. Thanks for watching. Any questions, contact your instructor.